Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology I Chew. Today, we are going to talk about cell structure and microscopy part 1. So without wasting time, let us start our quiz. State I use for iodine in the biology laboratory. For starch detection and staining cells. A microscope has an eyepiece lens marked 10 and an objective lens marked 20. What is the total magnification of the image? 200. Name a powerful type of microscope that is used to show cell ultrastructure. Electron microscope. True or false? If the eyepiece lens of a microscope is marked 10 and the objective lens is marked 3, the total magnification is 13. False. If the magnification of the eyepiece of a microscope is 10 and the magnification of the objective lens is 30, what magnification results when a slide is viewed? $300. For what purpose did you use a cover slip in the course of your practical activity? To examine a specimen, to reduce evaporation, to hold specimen in place, and to protect lens. True or false? The microscope lenses closest to the stage are the eyepiece lenses. It's false. Where in a cell would you expect to find phospholipids? membrane. State a function of a ribosome. Protein synthesis. State a function of the cell membrane. Selectively permeable. When preparing an animal cell for examination under a microscope, name the stain that you used. Methyl blue. Give two characteristic features of eukaryotic cells. They have a nucleus and they have membrane-bound organelles. What term is used to describe bacterial cells? Prokaryotic. Why does the nucleus of a cell have many pores? To allow passage of materials. State two features of plant cells visible under a light microscope that indicate that they are typical plant cells. Cell wall, chloroplasts, large vacuoles, starch granules, and the shape. What cellular organelle is the site of energy release? Mitochondrion. True or false? Animal cells do not have membranes. False. What cellular organelle is the site of water storage? Vacuole. Is the cell of amoeba prokaryotic or eukaryotic? Eukaryotic. What component of a cell allows osmosis to occur? Cell membrane. What is selectively permeable or semi-permeable membrane? Allows some molecules through. Name two features of a plant cell which are not normally associated with an animal cell. Cell wall, vacuole, chloroplasts, definite shape. What is usually found in the vacuole? Sap or components. For example, water, glucose, and many other. Name a carbohydrate found in the cell wall. Cellulose. The liquid in which chemical reactions take place in the cell is water or cytoplasm. True or false? Plant cells have chloroplasts. Animal cells do not have chloroplasts. It is true. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology IQ. We have been looking at cell structure and microscopy part 1. Let us meet in other series of Biology IQ. For now, bye-bye.